This video isn't just a review, it's a complete guide on how to switch to one of the world's top 3 exchanges, claim a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT, and start using tools that give you an edge in the market. I'll cover everything, from security to passive income. OKX, the platform I keep coming back to. Today I'll explain why it truly deserves attention. In this video, you'll get an honest breakdown, what works in practice, where the nuances are, and how to use the platform without unnecessary complication. If you're just starting out with crypto, don't worry. I'll explain everything in simple words, without overloaded terminology, so even a beginner can follow along. You'll learn how to register and pass KYC in just a couple of minutes, how to fund your account without first buying crypto, the difference between spot trading and futures, how to earn passive income through Earn and Jumpstart, and how to claim a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT when registering. And at the end, I'll show you a tool rarely mentioned in reviews, one that could become your hidden advantage. What is OKX? So, what exactly is OKX, and why am I talking about it? The exchange launched in 2017 and quickly became a serious competitor to Binance, while keeping its own strength. Today, OKX consistently ranks among the top 3 global exchanges by trading volume. More than 50 million users from 180 countries trust it with their trades. Impressive numbers. But what matters to me are the specific advantages. Fees. On most exchanges, trades cost around 0.2%. Here, just 0.1% or even less. At first glance, it seems minor, but with active trading, that turns into tens of dollars saved every month. Liquidity. Trades execute quickly and without delays. There's always a counterparty, and the rate stays favorable. Even when opening large positions, I've never faced issues. Transparency. OKX regularly publishes proof of reserves. Independent confirmation that your funds are truly on the exchange, not just numbers on a screen. Versatility. Everything is in one place. Trading, passive income, DeFi, trading bot. No need to juggle a dozen different apps. One platform is enough. Registration and identity verification. Time to move from words to action. Open the link under the video and follow the steps with me. The promo code is already activated and gives new users a bonus of up to 6,000 USDT. Registration takes just a couple of minutes. Enter your email or phone number, create a password, confirm the code, and your account is ready. The first thing you should do after logging in is enable two-factor protection. Path, profile, security, two-factor authentication. Download Google Authenticator, scan the QR code, and now nobody can log in without your phone. This isn't paranoia, it's basic digital hygiene. Without 2FA, your account is an open door for attackers. Next step, KYC or identity verification. KYC stands for Know Your Customer and is a mandatory standard for all regulated exchanges. Path, profile, verification. Choose your country, select a document, passport or ID, upload a photo, and take a selfie. The check runs automatically and usually takes from 5 minutes to an hour. Why is this important? Without KYC, your options are limited, minimal withdrawal limits, and restricted access to several features. After verification, the full toolkit opens up: fiat deposits, Jumpstart participation, higher limits, and other services. That's why it's best to complete verification right away and close this question. The account is ready. Next, funding your balance. If you already have crypto, just transfer it directly. If not, you can add funds via fiat. Funding the balance. On OKX, there are 2 convenient ways to deposit funds. First, transfer crypto from another exchange or wallet. Go to Assets, Deposit, choose the coin, for example USDT, and select the network, TRC20, ERC20, or any other. Golden rule: the sending network and receiving network must match. A mistake here means irreversible loss of funds, so double check everything before transferring. Second, P2P exchange. If you don't yet have crypto, you can buy it directly with euro, dollars, or another currency using your card. The process is simple. Open P2P, check the list of sellers. These are real people selling crypto for fiat. You transfer money to the seller's card and they send you the coin. OKX acts as guarantor of the deal. Until the seller confirms receipt of funds, the crypto remains frozen in the system. This protects both sides and makes the exchange fair. So, the funds are already in your account. And now the most interesting part begins: how to make them work. Let's move on to the basics of trading. Trading on OKX, spot and futures. The platform offers 2 main formats of trading: spot, for those who want to simply buy an asset and hold it; futures, for those who aim to profit both when the price rises and when it falls. Spot, the market classic. Go to trade, spot. Here everything is as simple as possible. You buy a coin with Tether, USDT, or another currency and wait for the price to change. Example, you buy 1 Bitcoin for $60,000. A week later, the price rises to $66,000. You sell and lock in $6,000 profit. Choose a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Orders come in 2 types. Market order, a trade at the current price right now, fast but without control over the price. Limit order, you set the price yourself and the trade executes when the market reaches that level. For beginners, market orders are easier to start with. They're clearer and don't require extra settings. Futures, play both sides. Go to trade, futures. The mechanics are more complex here, but the opportunities are greater. On spot, profit comes only when the price rises. On futures, you can earn even when the price falls. The principle is simple. Long, a bet on growth. Price goes up, you profit. Short, a bet on decline. Price goes down, you profit. The key tool here is leverage. It allows you to trade with more than you actually have. Example, you have $100, take X10 leverage, and trade as if with 1,000. The market rises by 5%. Profit is $50 instead of 5. But if the market moves against you, losses increase in the same proportion. Start cautiously. Minimal leverage X2 or X3, and always set a stop loss. Automatic closure of the position if the price moves unfavorably. Without it, futures trading turns into gambling. Margin modes. Isolated. You risk only the amount allocated to the trade. For beginners, the optimal option. Cross. The entire entire account balance is used, offers more freedom, but risks are much higher. If you feel that figuring out leverage and strategies on your own is difficult, that's absolutely normal. Futures require a systematic approach and discipline, not quick gut-feeling decisions. That's why in our trading chat, trades are broken down live, right in the moment. They show the entire process, why a specific leverage was chosen, where the stop loss was placed, what signals were noticed on the chart before entry. Step by step, you begin to think like a trader, see the logic, understand the risks, and learn to manage them. Link to the chat is in the description under the video. And if you don't want to analyze the market yourself, there's a tool that completely takes this task off your shoulders and does the work for you. Copy trading, trades without extra analysis. Imagine this, you connect to an experienced trader, and their trades are automatically mirrored on your account. That's exactly how copy trading works. Section, trade, copy trading. You'll see a list of traders with detailed statistics, monthly ROI, risk level, number of followers, trade history. You choose a trader, click follow, set the amount, and from then on, they trade while all their actions are mirrored proportionally on your balance. Tip, don't rush to those with a sudden high ROI in a short time. Often that's luck or a risky strategy. It's much more reliable to choose traders who show stability for at least 6 months and keep drawdowns within reason. And control always stays with you. You can stop copying or close trades manually at any time. Trading bot, automated strategies. If you want more control than copy trading offers, trading bots come to the rescue. These are algorithms that work for you according to preset rules. Examples, grid bot. You set a price corridor, for example Bitcoin between $60,000 and $70,000. The bot buys on dips and sells on rises, profiting from fluctuations. DCA bot, automatically and regularly buys a coin regardless of the price, averaging the entry point. A great tool for long-term accumulation. On OKX, these bots are built directly into the platform. No extra installation needed. There are ready-made templates from experienced traders that launch literally in one click. But it's important to understand, a bot is just a tool, not a magic earn money button. If you don't know the basics of the market, it won't save you. That's why it's better to first learn trading fundamentals, and only then add automation. Earn, passive income. If active trading isn't for you, or you simply want your money to work on its own, check out the earn section. In essence, it's similar to a bank deposit, only with much higher return. You place your coins and earn interest daily. Format, flexible staking. Deposit USDT or Ethereum. Earn daily interest and withdraw anytime. Fixed staking. Lock assets for a term, 30 to 90 days, and receive a higher percentage. Dual investment, a more advanced tool. Income is fixed, but payout may come in one of 2 coins depending on market movement. Suitable for those with some experience and flexibility. Earn is a way to generate passive income without extra effort, while still keeping control over your asset. Jumpstart, early access to token. For those who want not just to hold assets, but to unlock extra opportunities, there's Jumpstart. This tool gives you access to new tokens, even before they appear on the open market. You stake USDT or OKB, and at the moment of listing you receive a distribution proportional to your share. When the project goes live on the exchange, the starting price is often much lower than the market price, giving an advantage to those who entered early. The mechanics are simple. Go to Jumpstart, choose a project, stake your assets, and the tokens automatically arrive in your account. Asset protection. Top priority. Before the finale, let's pause on the key issue, security, because the main question is always the same. Can you trust the exchange with your money? OKX stores most assets in cold wallets, offline storage completely isolated from the internet. Even if attackers hack the servers, they won't reach the reserves. Another layer of protection is proof of reserves. This is an independent audit that regularly confirms, for every client dollar, there's a real dollar in reserve. Not promises, but mathematically verifiable proof. And of course, standard measures. 2-factor authentication, data encryption, and login notification. These aren't marketing slogans, but a mandatory level of security maintained only by the most reliable platform. Bonus program. Now to the pleasant opportunities. Registering via the link in the description immediately opens access to the bonus system, where you can receive up to 6,000 USDT. The reward size directly depends on your deposit and trading activity. All conditions are transparent and displayed right on the registration page. Even a small deposit gives a noticeable start and extra capital for your first trades. There's also a referral program. In your personal account, you'll have a unique link. Share it with a friend, and you'll earn a percentage of their fees as long as they trade. A simple way to create an additional income stream just by spreading the opportunity. Wrapping up. OKX isn't a perfect exchange, but perfect solutions simply don't exist. What it does offer is a platform that covers all the essentials. Low fees, high liquidity, a convenient interface, and proven reliability. If you're a beginner, start calmly without rushing. Register, complete KYC, deposit a small amount via P2P or an exchanger. Buy your first coin on spot and feel how the system works. Don't jump straight into leveraged futures. Give yourself time to adapt. If you already have experience, there's a full set of tools waiting for you. Jumpstart, trading bots, copy trading, Web3 wallet. All gathered in one place so you can keep growing and unlock maximum opportunities. If this review is useful, hit like. It's the simplest way to support the channel and show that the content was valuable. Subscribing gives you access to new honest reviews without hype or hidden ads. And for live discussion and daily market analysis, join our Telegram chat. There you can always talk through current topics, ask questions, and get fresh perspectives. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.